Welcome back to Ultra Prime Selections and our review on the FLISSA folding Camo hunting chair. The FLISSA folding Camo triangle chair is a compact, portable hunting chair designed for outdoor enthusiasts. While its durable construction and ease of portability have garnered praise, the triangular seat design has proven divisive. The chair features dual storage pockets, a padded backrest and a robust weight capacity, making it suitable for a range of outdoor activities. However, the unique design and comfort issues have drawn mixed reactions. So we put it to the test. Key pros: portability. The chair is lightweight, folds compactly and features a carry strap, making it ideal for travel or outdoor adventures. Sturdy build. Designed to support up to 275 pounds, the chair feels stable when used correctly. Comfortable backrest. Many reviewers noted the padded backrest provides good support, especially for those with back issues. Compact storage. When collapsed, the chair occupies minimal space, outperforming standard camping chairs in portability. Key cons: triangular design issues. The seat's triangular layout is a recurring point of discomfort, particularly for male users, as the front edge often presses into sensitive areas. Weight concerns. Some users noted the chair is heavier than expected for its size, making it less appealing for long hikes. Tipping risk. The three-legged design can tip backward if not used carefully, which is common among tripod-style chairs. Quality control: instances of ripped pockets, missing parts and poor stitching were reported, raising concerns about factory oversight. Price versus value. For a retail price of $50, several reviewers felt the quality and features didn't justify the cost. Portability and setup. This chair excels in portability. Unlike traditional pop-up camping chairs, the FLISSA chair folds into a compact size comparable to an umbrella. It requires no assembly, making it user-friendly. Some reviewers appreciated its small footprint and how it can fit into tight storage spaces like travel trailers. Build and durability. The construction feels durable, with sturdy fabric and impact-resistant legs. However, as noted by Lakara, the chair's weight detracts from its portability. Moreover, complaints about ripped storage pockets and detached seat corners suggest inconsistent quality control. Comfort remains the most divisive aspect. The backrest provides excellent support, but the triangular seat design drew significant criticism. For male users, the front edge can cause discomfort, as highlighted by Amazon clients and our weekend-long tester. Prolonged sitting may lead to discomfort due to the awkward layout. Value for money. The chair's price is another polarizing factor. While it offers good portability and stability, its design flaws and quality concerns make it a tough sell at $50. Despite its high-quality materials and thoughtful portability, we cannot fully recommend the FLISSA folding Camo triangle chair due to its impractical seat design. While it has potential as a compact and sturdy outdoor chair, the triangular layout detracts from its usability. If the manufacturer revises the design to make it more user-friendly and resolves quality control issues, this product could easily earn a 5-star rating. Amazon customer feedback highlights positive. Many reviewers appreciated the compact design and durable construction. Some found the chair perfect for specific use cases like hunting blinds or supporting bad backs. Negative common complaints revolved around discomfort caused by the triangular seat, quality control issues, and concerns about stability. Our final rating, 2.5 out of 5, recommended only if portability is a top priority and you can overlook its design quirks. This review was requested by FLISSA and is not sponsored in any way by the manufacturer or any of its affiliates. Redesign the seat layout. Address the discomfort caused by the triangular seat. Widen the front base and reconfigure the seat angle to avoid pressure on sensitive areas, especially for male users. Consider adding extra padding along the front edge to enhance overall comfort. Improve stability, adjust the leg angles, or incorporate a wider base to reduce the risk of tipping backward. While inherent in tripod designs, this flaw can be mitigated with a more stable footprint. Enhance portability without adding weight. Use lightweight aluminum for the frame instead of steel to reduce overall weight while maintaining durability. Fix quality control issues. Ensure thorough quality checks at the factory. Address common complaints such as ripped pockets, detached seat corners, and poorly stitched components to improve reliability and durability. Redesign storage features. Reinforce the mesh storage pocket and ensure all storage elements are securely attached to the frame. Relocate or redesign the cup holder to avoid interference with the user's legs during use. Improve comfort for extended use. Add a removable seat cushion or ergonomic padding to the existing seat for enhanced comfort during long sitting sessions. Consider including adjustable armrests for additional support. Include additional accessories. Add a carrying bag or a padded sling for easier transportation. Offer optional add-ons like a clip-on umbrella or attachable side table to increase versatility. Justify the price. Either lower the price to align with current quality and features, or include premium upgrades like enhanced padding and extra accessories to justify the $50 price tag. By implementing these recommendations, the FLISSA folding Camo triangle chair could achieve a balance between portability, comfort and durability, making it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts and earning a 5-star rating. Again, thank you for watching our FLISSA folding Camo chair review. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome reviews, top news headlines that the media won't tell you, how-to guides and more. Until next time.